This is the huge mistake you could do in your RHCSA exam. Because of this, your machine is unbootable and you have to rescue your machine. And when you rescue or reset your machine, all settings were gone. Everything is gone, and you have to do all the question again. So this is very really mess. Hello everybody. In today's video, we will see how to create swap memory. So I will just write here the steps that we are going to do practically. The first step would be make a partition, and this partition should be exact size of the required swap memory size. So I hope you already know how to create partition, but if you don't know, then watch this video appear in this corner, I guess. Yeah. And I already told you how to create partition by two methods, parted and fdid. I also tell you which method is better. So go watch it, please. So after we create a partition, our second step should be make swap command to whatever the partition name here. Then the third step is to edit etc fstab, and this is very important. Why? If anything goes wrong in this section, system will not boot up properly, and you have to go to into rescue mode and do it again. And if you are doing this swap memory or any other storage type question in your RHCSA exam and you messed up with the etc fstab file, then you have to go into rescue mode. That will restore everything to uh, from start at the beginning. And then you have to do all the question again, and it's like a doom for you. Yeah, so pay more attention in this step, etc f step, that how we gonna edit it. Some YouTubers say you have to copy paste there, but no, it's very easy. I will tell you how. So just watch till there. And also after that, fourth step would be swap on. Swap on. Then this step would be mount a hyphen a here also. And the sixth step is confirm. How we gonna confirm that we successfully created a swap memory? By free h command restart machine. Okay, if you don't restart, and your setting should be persistence, that mean uh, after restart you're able to see the whatever the changes made should be permanent. Yeah, so these six steps are here to create a swap memory for you. So we will do one by one. So let's get into practical classes. I'm in a root user. As we know, the storage type of question or whatever the settings or command that can run by only for use root user. See, so I will see here that lsblk a free partition for me. Is there any free partition? Yes, we have a free partition. Uh, yeah, SDC1 and 720 megabyte. This is the partition that says free partition. It's by because it's not mounted to anywhere. And you can see there is a swap. I mean, this partition has 1 GB size and LVM type. It's it's said to be a swap file. So I'm going to extend the swap memory by 720 M. So I'm going to use this partition as a swap memory. To what the mk swap. See, I already created the partition. That's why I'm not creating a partition again. And if you want to know how to create partition, that I already created a video on it. Go watch it, please. Now, we run this command successfully, and yes. we have to edit our etc fstab now. etc fstab. Here you guys can see I already write a line that will help me. stc1, yeah. So first your, okay, this is your partition name, Dave SDC1. This is what? This is your partition name. Then press tab and swap and swap. Let me delete this so you guys can understand better. So first, what did I say? First, you have to write your swap partition name. So here is my partition name. Then press tab and then swap. Okay. Then press tab again. Then swap again, and this time default. uh, Make sure the default spelling should be like this. If you somehow forget the default spelling, and then 0 tab 0, simple is this, right? Then escape colon wq, swap on. Yeah, swap on or mount a are the command that if something's gone wrong, that won't run. And somehow if you see that it's not running, the command is not running, then what you gonna do is you again go to the etc fstab and change whatever you edit back then, right? I'm gonna do this swap on a. Okay, looks like it's successfully run. Okay, it's not throwing me some kind of error, or it's taking a while to execute this command. Okay, mount mount a hyphen a. Okay, this command also runs successfully. But wait, let me tell you what kind of error we will face if we did some wrong shit in the etc fstab. Okay, so swap off, swap off. Wait, yeah, swap off command is like swap off. Just forget the command for there. And this time I will do intentionally something wrong in etc fstab. I instead of 1 I will write just sdc, and let's see what will happen. This is the huge mistake if you could do in your RHCSA exam. Because of this, your machine is unbootable, and you have to rescue your machine. And when you rescue or reset your machine, all settings were gone. Everything is gone, and you have to do all the question again. So this is very really mess. Now I will tell you swap. If I do swap on hyphen a, see the swap on Dave SDC read swap header failed. That's how we get a failed error, right? And mount a, sorry. Okay, this code runs successfully. So what we understand from this uh example, that swap on is the our command that will tell us that whatever we write in IETC fstab is not correct, and we have to correct it first. Or else what happen whenever we try to reboot our machine and it won't run, and you will say okay, let it not reboot, then I will do all the question. So let me tell you, my friend, when your machine, I mean, when you completed your RCSA exam, the machine will get rebooted by examiner. They have to be rebooted, and if the machine not get booted correctly, then you will lose all the marks. And you know what happen if your one machine, that is node 1 or node 2, will not get booted, then you will failed on all the question that is uh, related to node 1 or node 2. So this is very huge doom for you, a bad thing for you, so never do that. So I will not do this, so I'm gonna do change my etc. Okay, if you're not sure what mistake I'm doing, so just type here hashtag. uh, Wait, go to insert mode. Yeah, type hashtag. What it will do, that it will exclude that the script that you have written on etc fstab. So in case you're doing some mistake and you don't know where is the mistake, so you can do this hashtag, right? And let me show you again. If I do swap on right now, see, it's not throwing error, and this is good. If you restart your machine, so your machine will restart, and it's not like you have to go in rescue mode. But the thing is, you're not able to do that question. Only one question, right? This is good somehow. If you forget the how to write or what to write in a etc fstab sorry file, it's better to lose one instead of many, right? So let's do again. I mean, I'm gonna remove that hashtag. Look you. Okay, swap on. Wait. Oh, I'm doing some error again. I have to write here one. See, we are humans. We can do errors, right? But the doing error is not bad thing. How you going to solve your mistakes and error? It's a big thing as a human. So I make sure that every time I tell you how you going to resolve your error, and I sometimes intentionally do some error so you guys can have idea how it's look like to be an error. And you know what people do whenever they face error, they got in panic mode, and you can't solve error by going into panic mode. The problem is that the probability of doing more error get increased while in panic mode. So never get panicked whenever you face an error. If you watch my videos, then you know how to solve the errors, all types of error. Okay, this is all kind of error you will get from a swap memory. So I'm good to go. Fuck this machine. Mount a. Yeah. Now check it by free dot h. And yes, we did it. But we did it. We create a swap memory with the 1.7 GI. Okay. That means this 120 MIB and a megabyte. I don't know how to pronounce that capital M. But yes, that 720 and this 1 GB is converted into swap memory, and that's how we get 1.7. But you will say, where is 2? Don't worry, it is 2. You know, it's not printing on second decimal, that's why. But you are good to go. If you type here LSBLK, then you will see your SDC one is now in the swap memory, right? Okay, now confirm other thing by restarting your machine. This is very important. If anything goes wrong, then your machine won't start and you fucked up in exam. Okay, successfully my machine get booted. Now I'm happy. Okay, so I'm happy, but you guys can make me more happier by clicking on subscribe button and like this video and share if you like the video. Yes, that's all. And if you like the way I teach you guys, then yeah, subscribe for more future video. I'm making more videos on Linux, Red Hat, SUSE, Linux, most of the Linux distribution, and yeah, sometimes SQL. Python, C language, and in the future, I'm also planning to make videos on AI and machine learning because it's booming right now. But yes, you if you subscribe in this channel, you won't regret for sure. So please subscribe it, and I will meet you next time doing LVM question, that is logical volume, how to create, how to extend, etc. So I will meet you next time. Thank you for watching.